Pepe is seeing massive growth over the last few days, and as if yesterday wasn't enough, up 40%, we are continuing to climb higher. So the question is, why? And we're going to try to get at that question in this video. Why Pepe is coming back with a vengeance right now? Why is it going up so much? And it is leading the way in the cryptocurrency market. Why? What is going on? Of course, Bitcoin, put us on the map in terms of turning the tides here for crypto. But Pepe, the top gainer right now, back in the top 80, rank number 78. You could see now up 54%. The volume is what I am super impressed with. In our last Pepe video that I talked about on this channel, I said the key variable here is volume. The reason why I didn't think Pepe was even close to being done, even during the downturn, was the fact that the volume remained high. If that volume got up over 200 million, 300 million, I said in my previous video, look out. We could go for a ride. And look where the volume is right now. We are at $860 million of volume. That is up 300% in the last 24 hours. Most of that volume coming through centralized exchanges. Of course, the big centralized exchange is Binance, where 30% of the volume has come in the last 24 hours. We're talking about $260 million of volume just through Binance alone. Just massive run up here. And it actually refreshed. We're ranked number 63. I thought we'd be higher than that. Back up to the 16 mark here. And the market cap closing in on 700 million. Keep in mind, we got to about a $1.6, $1.7 billion market cap. So we're about a 2.5x from all-time highs. Not that far away. Now, coming back to the chart on the 1 hour view, you could see what happened here. It was a really just kind of breakdown going back here. Let's go into the 1 day, actually. And we are going to get to the question, why? Why is this happening? Here was the big breakdown, right? Big breakdown from the all-time highs. This was the listing on Binance. Slowly but surely came back down, and then we consolidated. But this consolidation is exactly what we needed. Buyers and sellers met somewhere here in the middle, just below the 10 range, right, into the 9s. And then 3 days ago, when the rally started for Bitcoin, the rally started for crypto, Pepe was up 15%. It was up 20%. All of a sudden, it was up 30 and 40%. Yesterday was a huge green candle. And then here today, the rally has continued. We know that Pepe has been the most talked about meme coin and really most talked about crypto story all of this year. It happened in early May. And if we look at the technicals real quick, strong buys across the board right now. We're above moving averages. Things are looking really strong. But the question is, why? What's going on with Pepe? What is happening? And why is all of this money filing back into Pepe, which again, up 54% in the last 24 hours? Well, here's my take on that. My take is a couple different things. Number one, we had the overall cryptocurrency market come back, right? So that alone is going to ride everything up with it. Bitcoin's up over 30,000. We could see, along with Pepe being a top gainer, a lot of different altcoins are moving. Shiba Inu being one of them as well, up 10+%. Singularity Net, Stacks, Chiliz, Avalanche. We're seeing some gains. Now, we're not seeing the gains that we're seeing in Pepe across the board. So why is Pepe different? Here's my theory. All of the capital that was coming into the markets, and a lot of the capital coming in from the NFT side and the meme coin and the degen side, it was rifled into Pepe not too long ago, right? And now they probably already have an invested interest. They're making some money elsewhere, and I think they're deploying new capital right into Pepe, right? And this is where the capital went in a very short couple months ago. Not even a couple months ago, about a month and a half ago. So it's still pretty hot. And again, that volume remained relatively high even during the downturn. So I knew the potential was there for this thing to really heat back up again. I think you're starting to see a lot of that money that siphoned through Pepe come right back around. A lot of these people have already profited, and they're saying, hey, if the market's coming back and we're going to get bullish, let's put it right back into an asset that made us whole a couple months ago. And I think a lot of that money is resurfacing and coming right back into Pepe that was in there before. And I think there also is some FOMO there. There's some FOMO, some people who missed the last run up. They start seeing Pepe up 15, 20%. They want a piece of that action. They think this thing could go back to all-time highs or beyond, and they don't want to miss the boat this time, right? So I think it's a trickle-down effect there as well. That's my theory right now with Pepe. Enjoying the ride up. We'll be keeping tabs on it for sure. Up 300+%. That volume is. If that volume number gets back over $1 billion, look out. I think we could be heading toward all-time highs yet again. We'll be keeping tabs on it again right here on the channel. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We put out the latest, hottest news that you can handle right here. All of crypto, all the time, every single day. I've got you covered. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.